continues to spotlight Giannis Antetokounmpo's Freak 7 line, driven by his standout EuroBasket 2025 performance and legacy-inspired storytelling. The newest light khaki edition shifts toward an earthy, understated style, pairing Cave Stone and Alabaster with sharp volt accents across the tongue and lining for a balanced yet eye-catching contrast. A ridged swoosh detail adds polish, bridging function and style while echoing subtle ties to Greece's mythological heritage. Each Freak 7 release underscores Antetokounmpo's journey, combining bold designs with practical performance for both court action and casual wear. While Nike has not fully confirmed the drop date, the light khaki is anticipated to arrive mid-September through Nike basketball accounts, priced at $115. With one confirmed launch already set for September 12, excitement builds among fans eager to secure this versatile edition that merges heritage, sport, and modern aesthetics into a single sneaker statement.